Alright, kurva. A little birdie told me a lot of you bobbers don't even have a license, and those of you who do have one desperately need re-evaluation. Luckily, your favorite neighborhood cat is here, so put on your L-heads and welcome to the cat's ultimate driving school. Now, before we begin, get everything you know about driving a car and throw it in the trash. It's all wrong. Step 1. Doors. Get a car and get in it. This step might be impossible if you don't own a car.
YouTube channel MediVehicle is not responsible for any incitement to vehicle theft of any kind, size, or color. Individuals that do in fact misinterpret step number 1 are not to be associated in any way, shape, or form with entertainment video content of our beloved dear leader MediVehicle. This is the end of the message.
2. Get in the car. Pull on this thing, but be aware, it's not so simple. If you try to open tank, just yoink it towards you. But, for example, door handles on all Beamers need to be pulled upwards. If you encounter a door handle that looks like this, that car is probably not yours. If a door handle looks like this, open it, get in. Step 2. Interior. Once inside, there are few things you need to know. First, locate big circle. Should be in front of you. If there's no circle in front, you've entered the car from the wrong side. Silly. If circle there, good. Let's figure out what kind of a driver you are going to be. This process is decided via a symbol in the middle of the circle. If the symbol looks like this, you are a responsible human being. You will drive responsibly and stick to the speed limit, as the car itself will deactivate the accelerator pedal if you try to harm even a fly. Anyways. If symbol looks like this, you are aware. Just try to not overspend on tuning the car, and waking up the neighbors at 2 AM is a must. Otherwise, the Subaru themselves will take your car away. If it looks like this, it means you were neglected as a child. You are either mentally ill or just holding on till you get your next paycheck, so you can spend it on your car. Now you need the crazy, just to keep your cardiovascular system going. If you see this, you are obligated to get as close to the car in front and flash your lights. Come on, you stupid fucker! This means you are entitled to think you are a superior human being. You are not. If it looks like this, your eye probably twitches from all that white gold, you barely fit in the seat, and you alone probably have more horsepower than your car. If it looks like this, please get out of the car and go by bus. You've been marked as danger to public. If it looks like this, you probably have a gun in glove box, and if it looks like mine, you're poor. Anything else just means congratulations, you drive a car. Now, before we do anything, look for stick. If the gear lever can go to a number, nice! This means you are not going to die alone. If stick go PRND, you have a small PP. Strel. Also, there are 3 pedals at your feet. Go fast, go slow, and a drift button. If you don't have the third one, don't worry. It probably just means you won't delete yourself in the corner after saying, "Yo bro, watch this sick drift." To make car go brum brum, brake clutch, select first, release brake, and then slowly press the gas and release the clutch. Just like this. Slowly. It's basically simple. Foot on brake, foot on clutch, select first, put off the brake, and now slowly adding throttle. As you can see there, you see slowly. I'm not pushing it. Yeah, releasing clutch. Clutch, second, release clutch, add gas. It takes a bit of practice, but you can do it. Or, like everyone else in the Eastern Europe, you need an abusive father. Driving here usually comes with free money-back guarantee adolescent trauma that nobody can cure. After you totally destroy the clutch and your parents' expectations, gentlemen, we are moving. Great job! Wait, we are moving. Oh. We are moving! Don't panic. Steer the 4-wheel machine with the circle. Easy. If you want to stop, just press stop and clutch. So, since we have mastered moving, now let's get to the car control. Step number 3. Details. Since you know how to move, let's figure out how to keep going. Behind the steering wheel, buttons, levers, chaos! But it's simple. If you cannot see in the dark, this. If water on your windshield, this. If you go left, this. If you go right, this. Shower your ass if you have one. Window, yeah. That's about it, yeah. Depends on the car. Step 4. Car. You know how to generally operate a car. Now, for your first car, you should pick something reliable, economic, Choosing your first car often comes down to what your budget is, as it's quite common for youngsters or fresh drivers to do oopsies. Cars with a lot of power are usually out of the picture because of their insurance policies. So let's see, let's choose a 2000 1.9 TDI Golf 4, meeting our budget and criteria. Owning a Golf, you've gained free access to Sacred Society of VW Golf forums. It's a mandatory membership. Anytime the car does something unpredictable, there are millions and millions of pages written by bobbers on how and what to fix. As a true car connoisseur, your obligation is to make your personal transport as unsellable as possible. Use sticker, shitty gear knobs, fluffy steering wheel. Your Golf deserves it. Let's get on the road. Road is a vicious place, full of dangers, idiots and homics.
O kurwa mower!
Let's make sure you are not one of them. Driving in the city is pretty easy. We are coming up to a junction, and there is a strange triangle there. What this triangle means, you ask? This triangle means you got to give cars coming here the right of way. Also, these little triangles, I'm pretty sure they are called shark's teeth. If the shark's teeth pointing at you, you gotta give the right of way to the cars on the junction. You press clutch first and you go. And second, and we come to the triangles again. We let them go. We want to turn left now. We put signal to the left. It's green for some reason. I have a Shrek indicator, and if we can go, I choose first. And there is a madman going with Polaroid. It's a Golf maniacs. He's letting me go. I'm going to take that opportunity, and we are on the way. Now, this sign says that you are going on the main road, and anyone else needs to give you the right of way. Pretty countryside. We can go into 5th and relax. Nothing to see here. Come on, Fiat, you can do it. The correct way to hold the steering wheel should be around, like, I don't know, here, I guess. Just hold it, not like yabarabaru. Right, so we are rejoining the road, I guess. I brake, I check. We are still in first gear. Opel, get out of the way! Right. Ay, mi caramba, they collided. This will be forever, so goodbye. The vehicle on the roundabout has always right of way. So, there is a car coming, I let him go, because he has the right of the way. So, I press first gear, clutch, gas, release clutch, and let's go. I use the indicators to get out of the roundabout. Right now, you see, there was no sign to let people go through. If there is no sign, vehicle in the right has the right of the way. Okay, let's say you wanna pass these idiots. Select second, nothing is coming. It is forbidden to overpass due to the pool line in the middle. Now we are in the city. My friend, what does it say here? Stop! And this man did not stop, so he would be crushed. I will go forwards. You see the arrow? Go where arrow points, always. This sign means you cannot park here. You can stop here, but cannot park. Oh! Speed and power! Toyota! Damn! You might ask when to change gear. Well, it depends. It depends how do you want to drive. But usually, if you have a diesel engine, it's best to switch gears around 2.5 to 4,000, because that's where they have the most power. Always maintain safe distance, guys. To maintain a safe distance in case of emergency braking. You see? I'm keeping a distance between him and me. So, if he needs to brake, I have time to react as well. You see? Oh! Yikes. Not good. If you have a green light and you wanna go to the left, they have green light as well. Meaning you need to give them right of the way. So, I wait. Now I go. So you've come to the spot you want to park in. Move, man. Jesus Christ. Move out of the way. Don't worry. French people do this. Now, parking is hard. That is, if you don't have functioning arms and brain. You can do it horizontal, vertical, sideways, or Richard Hammond. So, you come alongside, choose the reverse, angle the car, back, and voila! Did you see? Did you see that? Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. There are more rules on the road. If the arrow sign is like this, basically the barrier is on your side, the right of way has the cars coming the other way. If there is no sign, right of the way is from the right. Avoid crash if possible. Highway. If you're slow, go right. If you're fast, go left. Easy. If you're faster, go to the left. If there is a stupid Peugeot in front of you, just like relax. If you go the fastest, stay on the left. And we just had a scare because these idiots are way too slow and we are... Fuck me! What the freak is going on? Why is there a stop sign? You see, it's dangerous out there. There are a lot of idiots in various cars. Peugeot, vans, back to the highway. Hold the steering wheel firmly. Now, there are some rules you need to know as a car guy. Let's start with the most important of them. This is a cyclist. In Latin, stupid idiot. A breed of undeveloped individual pretending to be a part of normal flow of traffic, yet refusing or ignoring every goddamn rule there is on the road. If something happens and the biker is displeased, he will continue to moan and destroy his already tiny manhood. If you yourself are a cyclist,
get the fuck out.
second most important rule is the light above the back seats. If you've been driven by your father, you very well know this. If you turn this light on, it will cause instant and fatal crash. So, be aware. If you are interested in more car-related rants, please subscribe, as the next week we are going to rank all the shit that happens on the road. Now, if you manage not to fall asleep, you pass the test and you can go out. Here is your license. Don't crash your car immediately. I just want to say big thank you to my members. You can see them on the screen right now. If you want to support me, don't be shy and press that join button. You will get some benefits from it. And that is pretty much all from me right now. Thank you very much for watching. Please do subscribe. Don't forget to press that like. Thank you. Bye bye.